Hey guys, here's a quick little hint on helping to compare fractions. We worked on this at the very beginning of the year. Now we're going to look at it kind of a little differently. We used to compare them with decimals and some other pieces, but now what we can do is we can compare them so they have the same denominator. One of the ways to get the same denominator is to find the least common multiple that they both go into, or another way is to make sure that they both have the same number of pieces. So when I look at the denominator, what I can do is I can multiply the left denominator, 4/5, by 7 by the other one, and I can multiply this one by 5. So we're multiplying by the opposite. Now, whatever I do to the bottom one to keep it the same, remember we got to keep our big 1. So if I multiply the top by the same number, I will get an equivalent fraction. So it has that piece, so it's just bigger or smaller. 4 times 7 gives me 28. 5 times 7 gives me 35. And then the same thing, 6 times 5 gives me 30. 7 times 5 gives me 35. We want to know which fraction is bigger. So when we look at these two, now that they have the same denominator, they're cut into the same pieces. I have 30 pieces on the right for 6/7, and I have 28, so that 6/7 is bigger than 4/5. Remember, we could write it either way. We could say 4/5 is smaller than 6/7 right there. Remember, that's one way that you can find it. If you need another way or you're not sure, you can go back to the video on Tuesday and rewatch that video. You can rewatch this one again or email your teachers. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks.